Hello, today I'm going to have a go at a MkII Euro, just a standard Euro. Now I usually like the tension at the top of the keyway at the thin end, and this one will open that way, but it's woolly, there's no real feedback, it takes a while to get it going. So we'll move the tensioner to the top and it transforms the lock completely. Every pin feels good now. And there you go, in, nice and quick. It takes 3 or 4 minutes tensioning from the bottom and there's no real feedback. So if you're struggling with the lock, move your tensioner, try it in different places. There's no rules, open is open. Cheers.